We have a big breaking news coming in. We have been given to understand that a joint letter from Indian National Congress, DMK, Samajwadi Party, Trinamool Congress, NCP, Shiv Sena, RJD and RSP has been submitted to the Lok Sabha Speaker asking for a discussion over revisions of voter lists in Bihar and other states. So after we saw the massive walking into well with raising slogans and placards inside the lower house of the parliament, of course followed by an adjournment till 2 p.m. today. Now we are picking up this big breaking news coming in with regards to the disgruntlement of the opposition over the voter lists in Bihar, the SIR protests, of course. My colleague Samya Kapoor is back with us on broadcast. Samya, please fill us in with the latest with regards to the letter that has been written, because earlier you very correctly mentioned that this time around, despite of their differences, we are looking at a united opposition on the matter of SIR.
Well, absolutely, Sakshi. The Congress party-led opposition has decided to submit a joint letter that has been signed by several opposition parties in the Lok Sabha. Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition, also had a meeting with the Speaker of the House in Lok Sabha, Mr. Om Birla. And the opposition is trying to impress upon the Speaker to allow time for a discussion on the issue of the special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar. If I can take you through certain excerpts of the letter, the opposition party has expressed their apprehension about the transparency, timing and intent of the process, and the matter requires urgent attention of the House. They have also said that this is unprecedented, and the Election Commission of India has indicated that similar exercises will soon be taken across the nation as well. It's going to be undertaken across other states as well, and that is the foremost apprehension of the opposition party leaders. Several opposition parties have submitted this particular letter, including the Congress, the DMK, Samajwadi Party, TMC, NCP, Shiv Sena, RJD. RJD is trying to sustain the heat against the Nitish government in Bihar, while in tandem, the opposition party is doing exactly the same thing over here in the parliament in a coordinated, attack of sorts against the government, asking them to carry out a discussion. Now, whether the government is going to yield to this demand or not, that remains to be seen. The prerogative lies with the Speaker, but in consultation with the Treasury benches and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Kiran Rijiju, where they are going to decide whether at all, while the monsoon session of the parliament is underway, they are going to allow a discussion on this or not. The opposition has been asking, what is the reservation? It is the issue that concerns the people. In that particular letter, they've also gone on to say that the opposition has consistently raised this issue since the start of the current session, and it was reiterated in several interactions with the government. So this is not the first time around the opposition is trying to have a direct discussion with the government, asking them for a discussion. And they've also gone on to say that the revision of the electoral roll has direct implication on the right to vote and the conduct of free and fair elections. So a strong-worded letter over here by the opposition party, helmed by Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition, where several MPs have signed this letter. We are going to wait and see how the Speaker is going to respond to this letter and what is going to be the reaction of the government on this particular letter, whether they are willing to accommodate the demand of the opposition for a discussion on SIR or not.
In fact, Samya, you have said that this is not the very first time that they have written this letter asking for a discussion on this topic. They have in fact submitted letters to both the houses of the parliament to have a constructive discussion on the same. But how likely is that the discussion will be taken up inside the parliament?
Well, at the very outset, Sakshi, I had mentioned that the government is in no mood. The sources close to the government have been maintaining that the government is in no mood to have a discussion on SIR. They feel there are bigger issues at hand right now. They dedicated 2 days of 16 hours discussion on the issue of Operation Sindoor and Pahalgam, which took place on Monday and Tuesday. While the opposition did participate in that discussion, they did not let go of the issue of the SIR. They are unrelenting in the demand for a discussion on the SIR issue, because the Bihar elections are around the corner. And also remember how Tejasvi Yadav had sounded a warning that if the SIR exercise is going to continue the way it is, the Mahagathbandhan may even contemplate to boycott the Bihar Assembly elections. And the government, the BJP, then said it looks like the Mahagathbandhan is already acting like a sore loser. They've accepted defeat and they want to plonk the blame of that on the SIR exercise itself. So a lot of back and forth over there on the issue of SIR, but when the parliament is concerned, it has to be followed followed through a set convention and norms, which we did see how Om Birla had gotten very annoyed and miffed with the manner in which the opposition party leaders time and again were holding the proceedings of the House hostage, running to the well of the House, disrupting the proceedings. They've said that if a discussion needs to be done, it needs to come through correct channels and it needs to be done in a constructive manner, taking the treasury benches on board. It cannot happen without the consent of the government. If the proceedings of the House has to be, accepting an adjournment motion in the Lok Sabha and discussion has to be carried out, the entire exercise itself has to be conducted by the opposition part, by the Speaker of the House in tandem with the opposition party and the government. And the government does not want to entertain this demand of SIR. They feel that the opposition has an agenda and they want to derail the proceedings of the House through their agenda. So both sides not willing to pull back any punches, at the same time not willing to give in. In the meanwhile, the monsoon session seems to be bearing the brunt for it. It is a deadlock that the opposition and the government has not been able to resolve with the help of the opposition speaker so far. We have to wait and see what is going to be the reaction of the speaker once this letter is submitted to them.
Absolutely. And the lower house of the parliament resumes at 2 p.m. today. So, Samya, are we expecting some more highlights? Because looks like this intensification of the stir by the opposition party is not going to stop or die down anytime soon.
Absolutely, Sakshi. We are going to be waiting at around 2 p.m. what exactly is going to happen in both the houses of the parliament. But in the Lok Sabha per se, they are going to be demanding a discussion on the SIR. Whether at all there's going to be any back channel talks, when the opposition parties and the government are concerned, what we see on our screens right now, a lot more happens behind the scenes. There are hectic meetings and parleys that take place that is often facilitated by the leader of the, by the Speaker Om Birla himself, where the leader of the House Rahul Gandhi and several leaders from treasury benches participate in that meeting. They decide on the business advisory committee what is going to be the issues taken up, what is going to be the legislative business of the House for a particular day, whether a discussion can be accommodated or not. All that is factored in, but in a structured, conventional manner. Now, we have to see how the government is going to respond. The opposition has submitted their letter.